In this question, you're given 2 points A 21 and B 53. You're asked to find the points of trisection. So the points of trisection are nothing but the points which divide AB in the ratio of 1:2 and 2:1. That is, if you have the line segment AB, the first point of trisection divides AB in the ratio 1:2. And the second point of trisection divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So now, what is the first point? We have already discussed the formulas for this also. So 2x1 plus x2 by 2, 2y1 plus y2 by 2, and x1 plus 2x2 by 2, y1 plus 2y2 by 3. So let us directly use the formula. So the first point is given by 2x2 plus x1 by 3, 2y2 plus y1 by 3. And this point is given by 2x1. This is this point. So 2x2 plus x1 by 3, 2y2 plus y1 by 3. So this point is given by 2x1 plus x2 by 3, 2y1 plus y2 by 3. So that is equal to, so let us try to do this. So 4 plus 5, 9 by 3, 2 plus 3, 2x1 plus x2, 2 plus 3, 5 by 3. So this is one point where I have multiplied these numbers by 2 and these numbers by 1. Now I need to multiply these numbers by 2 and these numbers by 1. So 10 plus 2, 12 by 3, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So the points are 3, 5 by 3 and 4, 7 by 3. So these are the required points of trisection. Thank you.